Okay, try a new Korean barbecue place called Yuk Gam. Place. Just gone in there. Have a look. How it looks like. It's a Korean barbecue place. This is our table here. Very Korean style. So we just received our side dishes. So we've got some fish cake, seaweed, potato salad, radish kimchi, normal cabbage kimchi, and some beans. And we also got two rice. That comes with a set. Because we ordered a set, Wagyu beef set. We've ordered a Wagyu set. It comes with Wagyu scotch, short ribs, oyster blade. So this is part of like all the meat from the set. So it's $150. So it comes with some vegetables as well. The corn cheese has arrived and putting it on the barbecue. And we've also got a soup. And it is the beef soup. Lots of beef in there and vegetables. The set also comes with salmon sashimi, 4 big pieces, soy sauce. And we've got some vegetables on the side that comes along with the set. And we've also ordered a pork scotch. Barbecuing the meat now and the vegetables. A steamed egg has arrived, that's also part of the set. And separately, we've ordered a seafood pancake. Everything is very tasty, very fresh. I really like it. And we've got our drink here, wrapped in the moon. It's a raspberry lemonade. Looking very nice. So far, we are very happy with the meal. Just cooked our scotch fillet, I think that's what it is. Everything's really tasty, very yummy and fresh.